Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to mute the beeping sound that your buttons make on your Casio Twin Sensor. So what you want to do is to press and hold the mode button. You are going to hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and it is going to show us this musical sign and the fact that that music is going to be deactivated. So now if I press the mode button, there won't be any sound coming from the buttons. But if I want to switch it on, so if I want to turn it on, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to press and hold the mode button. I'm going to hear a small beeping sound, and now the watch is going to make the beeping sound once again. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Twin Sensor watch, so how to use all the functions and also how to use the temperature, location, so north, south and so on, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. I'm also going to show you how to replace the watch battery, so I'm going to leave links to both guides in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.